This was the moment the grenade exploded close to where Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed was sitting. For a few moments there was confusion before members of the security forces came onto the stage and led Abiy Ahmed to safety. Witnesses say they saw the man who targeted the Prime Minister.
The Prime Minister was just concluding his speech, and at that moment there was a grenade thrown against him. But I think the guy was just trying to throw to the stage, while the guys beside him just took him, so that the grenade just went off on his hand.
It was a bloody end to a day that had started with so much optimism. Hundreds of thousands of Ethiopians had gathered in the capital, Addis Ababa's Meskel Square, for a rally to support their new Prime Minister. Since taking office in April, the 42-year-old has announced a series of reforms, including the release of tens of thousands of prisoners, the opening of state-owned companies to private investment, and a proposed peace deal with Eritrea. In an address to the nation after the attack, Abiy said that those trying to divide Ethiopia would not succeed.
Certain groups planned and coordinated to destroy this large gathering, to kill innocent people and to spill blood on our streets. They have tried very hard, but their entire plot has failed.
Questions are being raised, though, about whether the security operation for such a large rally was adequate.
It was really huge, actually. According to some estimates, the people in the spot were like around 1 million. The security is tight, but comparing to with the previous security, actually the security situation and the police officers were a bit relaxed this time around.
Prime Minister Abiy says he is determined to bring change to Ethiopia, but this attack highlights the lengths some will go to try and stop him. Victoria Gatenby, Al Jazeera.